if you're a huge trade house and you've got huge positions, like 50,000 lots plus, you're not just going to join in when it's the most volatile and just lift every offer. Like, I mean, if any trader who's been in that position, having to manage a big position that's not going your way, it's a horrible, horrible feeling. And it's a horrible thing to manage because you will only exacerbate it. And then once rumors get out that you're in pain and people kind of know your position, which they do generally know in the oil market, then they can make it even worse when they see large volumes going through and it's more obvious that people are stopping out. So the best thing to do in some respects is when it's peak dramatic and it's peak kind of people unraveling their positions like it was kind of like Wednesday, Thursday, it's best just to hold back, right? I mean, this was even the case with the Saudi attacks in 2019. Like flat price opened $10 higher on the weekend, on the Sunday evening. And there were some people who were long, but there were some people obviously caught short. But because it was such a dramatic move and it was like it was peak uncertainty at open and people were waiting to see how the markets took it, it kind of drifted all the way back after that, like days later, which kind of makes sense because you're always going to have your biggest move at the peak uncertainty. And as things start to come into more focus and people have more of an idea of what's really going on, it's not quite as bad maybe, or at least people can start to figure out what this really means. That tends to be a little less dramatic in the markets. Now, I would just summarize it as that.